In this video, I'll show you how to install Sims 4 mods. Firstly, launch the Sims 4 and click on Options. Navigate to the Game options, then select Other. Enable these options like Enable Custom Content and Mods and Script Mods Allowed. Click Apply Changes. If a warning appears, confirm it by clicking the check mark and restart the game to apply the changes. Now, visit CurseForge Sims 4 Mods page. Browse and download any mod or custom content you want. The mods folder path is Users, Documents, Electronic Arts, The Sims 4/mods. Place the files with these extensions in the mods folder, .package and ts4script. Content downloaded from The Sims or Rooms categories should go into the tray folder. And launch The Sims 4 when you're done and ensure the mods and CC are enabled in the Options, Game Options, Other menu. The game will notify you of installed mods upon startup. You can enjoy your enhanced Sims 4 gameplay with mods and custom content. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.